All right guys, this next one's gonna be fun. We've got bacon involved, there's shrimp, there's salmon. Come right back for my hog-tied seafood sandwiches. Woo! Keep it paleo. I've got 18 shrimp on a plate and 6 boneless, skinless salmon fillets. I'm gonna season those with my lemon pepper love, top and bottom. So let's just do boom. And this is fun. You could do it kind of as a lunch, a make-ahead protein. You could do little morsels and put toothpicks in them as hors d'oeuvres. But this is pretty much how it goes. I've got my butternut. This is just a half of a shaft of pre-cooked butternut squash. I want 6 slices. And then we'll take a piece of bacon, butternuts down, salmon on top, and then 3 shrimp. Bacon comes over the top. If you can stretch it tight, good. So we can seal that seam. Then I got a preheated skillet. I'll give it a little oil to help get going. And then you want seam side down, just like that. All right guys, we're looking good. We got them all in the pan. And we've got our seam set. So now I'm gonna turn them over. Now I'm gonna place the pan in the oven and we're gonna finish at about 350 until my salmon registers at 120 right in the middle. So we cooked these in the oven until the salmon in the center was 120. Then I just brought them out and now I'm standing up the little edges just to kind of sear this part off. You know, the top and bottom get seared nicely, but we kind of have raw bacon. It's not raw, but just not as crisp on the edges. So I've just kind of set them up like that. We'll let them rest and do their thing. Over here, we're gonna turn this into kind of a sandwich and a salad. With the salad, I'm gonna add some mixed greens to this bowl. I've got a lemon here. We'll juice that, about half of a lemon. And then we'll go salt, kosher salt, pepper, olive oil. And then I'll just toss that with my hands, kind of fold it gently, delicately. And then what I would say is probably 2 of these guys. Boom, right on top. And then we haven't seen this finish for a while, but I've got my Villa Mondadori balsamic fresh jar. So I'm just gonna give a nice little drizzle. So this has been our hog-tied seafood sandwich over a nice bed of greens. You guys get in the kitchen and do it. This stuff is so easy and super tasty. Until next time, keep it paleo.